Like whether you are aware about this hack or not. Suppose if you wanted to create a sheets for this, 8 name in a different sub sheets in this particular workbook, you can create manually, but there's a one hack. In a single click you can create it. First, select your data, insert pivot table by pressing shortcut or go to manually insert option, press OK. Now you have a pivot sheet here. Let's zoom in. Drag your names into the filter option. You have a one small option here, show report filter pages. Just click and it will ask you if you have multiple filters, and just press OK. See, now we have a sheets created. Even if you have summarized pivot, you will get created for that particular name. So is it a good hack? Please share with your friends. Thank you.